Epic Live, a commitment worth keeping. My name is Kristen Disney, and I'm an Epic Live teacher and committee member. Epic Live consists of online learning groups. It is a teach-to-enroll program. Teachers that sign up to host weekly classes are able to enroll their students in other Epic Live classes. There is not a limit as to the number of classes that students can attend. Epic Live is a time multiplier. Epic Live connects students with expert teachers that are able to help drive student performance. Teachers are asked to carefully choose a day and time for their class. Make sure that you pick a day that you can consistently meet with students online. Sometimes a class cancellation is unavoidable. A class cancellation should be the last resort. Consider that students, parents, and teachers are counting on you to keep your commitment to Epic Live. Find a teaching partner that can be on standby to act as your Epic Live substitute. Host an abbreviated class. Meet for 30 minutes and assign a task that students can complete for the remainder of the class time. Move the day or time of your class. Sometimes a PLC may be scheduled during your Epic Live class. Consider moving your class to a different day for that week. Always send clear communication to students, parents, and teachers when a change to your class is absolutely necessary. Sending students a video lesson does not count towards your weekly meeting commitment. Epic Live is a live meeting with students. If you have questions or concerns, please email the Epic Live Committee at epiclive@epiccharterschools.org or visit our website at epiclive.rocks.